This in-service video will provide you with basic instructions on using the DST series TA staplers from AutoSuture. Please refer to the instructions for use packaged with the product for more information. The DST series TA staplers are shipped sterile with one single-use loading unit or SULU in place. Steps to use. Place the instrument jaws around the tissue at the point of transection. The retaining pin should be properly seated prior to closing or firing the instrument. The retaining pin aligns the cartridge and anvil to ensure proper staple formation. The pin can be manually advanced by pushing the retaining pin button forward. If it is not manually seated, it will automatically seat with the first squeeze of the handle. Firing sequence. Firing the instrument requires 2 full squeezes of the instrument handle. A semi-squeeze puts the instrument in a tactile pre-clamp position. An audible click will be heard. The handle will be fixed between the original and fully squeezed position. This pre-clamp position allows final positioning of the tissue within the jaws. This is not considered a full squeeze of the instrument handle. After the tissue is properly positioned, complete your squeeze and release the handle all the way back. An audible click will be heard. When the handle is released, it will return to the original or extended position. To ensure proper firing, the handle must return to this original position. The instrument is now ready to fire. Note: it is possible to bypass the pre-clamp phase with a rapid full squeeze and return of the handle to the original position. The next squeeze of the handle will fire the staples. Before firing, ensure that the retaining pin is fully seated in the anvil. To fire the instrument, squeeze the handle a second time until it reaches a solid stop and it locks in the back position. An audible click will be heard as the handle locks. Slowly release your fingers from the handle. If it remains in the locked position, the instrument has been fired. As the stapler is fired, it places one double-staggered row of titanium staples. The DST series TA30V3 stapler places one triple-staggered row of titanium staples. Prior to opening the instrument, the cutting guide built into the anvil may be used to transect the tissue. Press the black release button in the rear of the instrument to open the jaws and unlock the handle. Check the staple line for proper hemostasis. The DST series TA staplers and single-use loading units, or SULUs, are equipped with a safety lockout that prevents the instrument from being fired with a used SULU or with an improperly placed SULU. Yellow indicators are visible in a SULU that has been fired. To remove the SULU, grasp the finger pads at the top of the SULU and pull it straight up from the jaws. To reload the instrument, grasp the new, unused SULU by the finger pads with the staple holes facing the instrument anvil like this. Insert the SULU into the metal cartridge housing and push down firmly until it clicks into position. The DST series TA staplers are designed to be reloaded 7 times for a total of 8 firings. The DST series TA stapler and SULUs come in a blister pack color-coded according to the size of the staple. The following staple closure sizes are estimates. 2.5 staple SULUs available for the TA30V3 stapler only are white and close to 1 mm. 3.5 staple SULUs are blue and close to 1.5 mm. 4.8 staple SULUs are green and close to 2 mm. Note: actual closure sizes depend on tissue thickness. For more information about the AutoSuture DST series TA stapler, please refer to the instructions for use or refer to the AutoSuture product catalog at www.autosuture.com.